Hi guys, good afternoon. Well, today when I get home we're going to do a Shein haul. We have so much to go through. I don't even know what's in here. It doesn't look like that big of a bag, but it really is packed. I mean packed. I know there's some sweaters in here, I think. A lot of shirts. I don't know. I don't remember. But I am going to do the haul for your everyday skinny girl. Old and skinny. That's me. So I never see anybody online for my size. Everybody complains that that's all you can get is smaller sizes, but that's not true. I can never get small sizes. So we'll go over it and see what we can figure out fits for double zeros and extra small sizes. Like I said, we'll do 50 and skinny Shein haul.